Hey everybody, it's Eric.
And I'm Carla.
And we did finish up in our eBay area. So we're going to take you on a little tour of what we did.
Let's check it out.
All right, so first we did paint, like we did drywall and painted in here. But this is where we used to take all of our pictures, clothes. We used to have a thing there and a hanger, and we'd hang them all there. But we moved that. I made this my little wrestling figure display. We got WCW, Chris Jericho, random stuff, and then the massive Hall and Nash collection there. Right here, this area is where we take photos of anything that's small, like figures, this little playset, any of this stuff. We would take photos right here in this area. And it's kind of where we package stuff too. Obviously, this is the stuff that we've gotten over the past couple of days. Got the graded comics up there, and we used to have an upper cabinet right here. We moved that and put these two shelves with Carla's little knickknacks on there too. Looney Tunes, obviously, Carla's favorite thing. But this is where we ship and print everything. We've got our scale, we've got our thermal printer, our laptop set up right here, and our little thank you cards too. Underneath here, we've had this, but this is the upper cabinets out of our kitchen that we remodeled when we first moved in. But I use those, put all of our boxes in there, and then that thing contains like batteries, bags, our spare supplies like shipping labels and thank you cards and stuff like that are all in there. This is the wall that was heavily damaged because we had a roof leak, and it's where I did the repairs and the drywall. You'll see that. I'll pop it up in the corner over there. This is now where we keep the bubble wrap and the packing paper on these rolls. And then up here we've got the storage for tape and tape guns and a little mannequin head and bags and stuff. And we've got stickers and stuff from Harry Tornado and Commonwealth Picker and a couple of other guys that we've ordered off of Whatnot there. Got our Big Boss Man and Donkey Kong and Hulk Hogan, Razor Ramon. And this is now where we take photos of clothing, t-shirts, blankets, sheets. We find a lot of curtains and linens, I guess, but this is where we're going to take photos of that. Carla can show you how this thing raises up. This is going to be our flat lay for taking photos of shirts. You can demo it if you want.
I would love to demonstrate it. You get your t-shirt, place it on here, and just fix it up, make it look pretty. And then I can take photos.
So that's how that'll work. We haven't used it yet, but that is how it will work. And obviously we've got our lights over there that we'll plug on either side. But I did this so that we could fold it up, and it's out of the way. It's hinged on the wall, and it blends right in. And then we can use this area too to take pictures of big stuff, because we do a lot of golf bags.
Blankets.
These drum sets will be good there.
And we do blankets.
Yeah. And then this is where there used to be a giant opening. It went to probably about where that line of autograph photos are. It was about that high, but I don't know what you call that, filled it in. But yeah, so now we've got our wrestling stuff up there too.
And our babies.
And these two lazy bums down here. But that's everything that we did. Like I said, I'll pop pictures up of the stuff that we did there. So that's the little tour that I promised. But we did all that over the past week or so, all because we wanted to paint.
And I don't know if y'all can tell, but these ceilings are really high, so it was a butt to paint from floor to ceiling.
A lot of fun, but it's set up better for everything that we do. Carla can take care of everything she needs to in here, because this is like her full-time job now.
I can't make excuses anymore, huh?
Yeah, it's over with. So go over phenomenalfindsatl.com. over there you'll find the links to our eBay store, our Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and you can go over there, like, subscribe, and follow.